Null and alternative hypothesis. Null hypothesis is the default hypothesis, the currently believed one. And the alternative hypothesis is the one that we would like to be true. Sometimes we call it research hypothesis. For example, the mean result of data analysis course was 78. After implementing Excel, we want to test that the mean result of students is increased. So here, the alternative hypothesis, the thing that we would like to be true, is that the mean is increased. Mean of the population becomes larger than 78. So we define H1 as mu greater than 78. And H0, which is the opposite of that, is mu less than or equal to 78. In this case, in order to have enough evidence to support H1 and reject H0, we select the sample randomly and we calculate the mean of the sample. Now here, if the mean of the sample is significantly larger than 78, we have enough evidence against H0 and we say that the mean is significantly larger than 78. So in this scenario, actually the rejection region is at the right hand side of the graph, and we say that we have a right-tailed test. But if the mean of the sample is not in the rejection region, then we say that we cannot reject H0 and the mean result of a student is not significantly larger than 78. Now let's think about another scenario. Maybe we want to test that the mean is changed. So here, the thing that we would like to be true is that the mean is significantly less than 78 or the mean is significantly larger than 78. So H1 is that mu is not equal to 78. Opposite of that, H0 is that mu equals to 78. In order to have enough evidence to support H1, we select the sample randomly and we calculate the mean of the sample. Now here, if the mean of the sample be significantly less than 78 or significantly larger than 78, we say that here we have enough evidence to reject H0 and the mean of the population is changed. So the mean result of students is changed significantly. But if X bar is not in the rejection region, we cannot reject H0. So here we have a two-tailed test because rejection region is on the left and right tail of this graph. Another scenario is this. We want to test that the mean is decreased. So here the thing that we would like to be true is that the mean result is less than 78. So mu less than 78 is the alternative hypothesis. And opposite of that is mu greater than or equal to 78. So in order to see that which area is the rejection region, it means that actually we want to select the sample randomly, and if the mean of the sample is significantly less than 78, we say that we have enough evidence to support H1. So it means that if the X bar be at the left tail of the test, then we have enough evidence to support H1. And we reject H0 and we say that the mean result of the students is significantly less than 78. And we have a left tail test in this scenario. If you look at all these three scenarios, you see that always we have equal sign in H0 here, here, and here. But in H1, you never see an equal sign. It is good to keep it in your mind. And in order to see that we have a right tail test, two tailed or left tail test, we just look at the H1. so mu greater than 78, so it is a right tail test. In this one, two tail test, and in this one, mu less than 78, we have a left tail test.